Hey folks, welcome back to Building in Scale. As promised, today we're going to check out this through plate girder bridge. It's a double track. I got this from my N scale layout. I'm trying to do a bridge structure on part of the layout, and I used the code 55 N scale track, the Atlas code 55 track. So just want to see what this looks like here, because I think it's also going to be a really nice weathering project. It's a lot smaller than I expected. Let's see what the detail is like on this guy. Put this back here. Those handrails out from this, away from this Southern Pacific disaster I'm working on here, a locomotive. So what we got here? All right, so this is one of the plate girders. Looks like there's some pretty decent detail here. I can see some rivet heads and stuff along that top flange. And then even down on the bottom flange, there's some rivets. Got some track here. And we got some floor beams and stringers. So, got 3 plate girders, 1 middle and 2 spandrels. That would be the edge plate girders, like so. And then we've got some floor structure here, and we got 1 track here. Oh, here's the other one. So this looks like it matches the N scale Atlas code 55 track pretty well. These directions, let's see what's going on. Yeah. All right, so probably gonna try to get this together tomorrow, and I'll show you guys once I get it together. I just want to see how this track matches up with the track I've got laid out here on the layout. If I put these side by side. So, not too bad. I think the ties match pretty well. You got brown ties, and I believe that's a nickel-plated rail, so I think that's going to be a pretty good match. And yeah, it's going to be a pretty good match. And where this guy is going to live is going to be right over here. Eventually, I'm hoping on the layout. Look at that. That's almost perfect. And once I get it assembled and I can see the gauge or distance between these two lines of track, these are 2 main lines going through here, I can set this so it matches the bridge. The spacing or the gauge of the rail, or the spacing between the 2 lines is what's going to set this whole thing. So I wanted to see what that looked like once we get the bridge assembled here. And again, this is all really rough. This is all just pinned down. Nothing's glued down yet. And again, I'm learning as I go here. Everything is kind of new at doing one of these layouts. So I'm just using my plastic modeling and building skills from years past to find my way through the model train hobby here. So yeah, once I get that plate girder bridge assembled, I'll see how those lines, how far apart they are, and I'll set the rest of this. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Probably start working on that tomorrow, and I will show you guys what that looks like once I get it together, and then we're gonna probably take it back to the spray booth and weather it a bit, probably with some grime. Well, not so much grime, but some rust and some, I don't know, like dust, dirt, probably a little bit more gray, maybe some dust that kind of kicks up from the stone ballast over the years and clings to the steel. And we'll mix that in with a little bit of rust as well. So anyways, that is, again, that is the Atlas through plate girder bridge, double track. That's code in with code 55 track. Yep, brown ties, nickel silver rail. And I actually ordered this on Amazon and got it in like 2 or 3 days. I couldn't believe it. And just if you guys are wondering exactly, I think it's item number 2081. So, and on the back here, just another type of bridge. That would be a single through plate girder bridge that they also have. So I'm gonna go through these directions, gonna figure this out, and we'll see what it looks like when it is assembled. Anyways, that's all I got for today, and thanks for watching. Bye.